Holland. And I was telling someone during the lunch one time, because he said the Netherlands is such a developed country and it's so green. Do they really have to say, do they really need picnic there? And I would like to share with you here what my answer was. Yes, we do need picnic there too. We have a climate there that is very favorable for plants. Okay, in the winter it freezes, but in the summer it does not get very hot. So the ground does not dry out and the ground does not get very hot. So it looks as if the ground is healthy, but in fact it is not. The ground is depleted. The ground has been filled up with agrochemicals and has been trampled on with tractors. So actually we have the very same problem, but since it is more disguised, the farmers there don't even realize that they have a problem. So actually Allah is helping us by showing to us that we have a problem so that we can act on it. Thank you very much.